Here comes our tiny spider-like creature friend, crawling into your imagination where the fun won't end. We are ready, Scribble Peeps. Let's start with the big old circle. It's like the spider's secret hideout. Can you guess what's coming next? Yep, those huge eyes. They're like little headlights, perfect for spotting snacks in the dark. Now, we can't forget the super friendly spider fangs. Time to give him 3 legs on the left. 1, 2, 3. Looks like he's ready for action, maybe sneaking around on a top secret spider mission. And now let's draw the right ones, in the same way. He's all set to crawl up the tallest tree, or even explore the attic. And all we are left to do are some little spiky details on the top. We are only beginning this artistic ride, so subscribe and hit that bell. Come along for the glide, with more fun and surprises just waiting for you. Join us on this journey, there's so much to do. Now we are drawing the eyes, so big and bright, ready to see all the fun in his curious sight. Next, we'll trace the fangs, cute and sweet, ready for munching on all sorts of treat. Now let's draw the right legs. 1, 2, 3, each one wiggly, as lively as can be. He's off on an adventure, quick as a breeze, scurrying around, doing as he please. Time for some spiky details all over his head. He's got to be ready for the challenges ahead. Now let's finish the last legs, all ready to go. With a little stare and dance, he's ready to steal the show. We are at the finish line, so let your colors take flight, choose your favorites, and make your spider look just right. Another masterpiece we created together, and you know you can enjoy more free peeptastic videos like this at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!